Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Challenger GT all-wheel drive. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 pushing out 305 horsepower and 268 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Got our GT badging. Black leather interior, sunroof. Come around back. Got a rear spoiler. Opening up the tailgate. Plenty of space back here. Set of clean floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with a keyless entry. Power windows. Alpine sound system, power seats, hopping in. This one does come with a smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, heated and cooled seats, touchscreen media display. Just put it into reverse. Got a review backup camera, our climate controls, 8-speed automatic transmission. This Challenger has 36,321 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Dodge Challenger, check out feldmanimports.com.